Hello, lovely people. Wanted to come today and share with you all another work from home opportunity. Nexrep. Nexrep is currently hiring. I just signed up the same day, was able to get an interview the same day, and accepted in a position the same day. So go run out and apply for Nexrep. It's customer service call center. They take incoming calls, outgoing calls, customer service. You do have to have a computer. You do have to have a USB headset or a 35 miller headset. I'll show you what I'm talking about right here, like this one. These are the least expensive ones. Let me show you this right here. So you can use this if your computer only has this type of plug, but you can also buy extensions to plug it to your computer or your laptop, okay? So Nexrep is currently hiring. Like I said, I was able to go onto their platform the same day, schedule an interview the same day, get called the same day, and get hired the same day, okay? So you do have to pay for a background check. The background check is $25. Once you sign up for an interview, and you like what they're talking about, then they'll send you an invitation email letting you know that um, you've been accepted to the program. So go check them out. Follow me for more work from home opportunities. I wish you all the best.